Now, sometimes you might want to change some data inside your data sets and you want to do it in a faster way. So this is where the find and replace function comes in. So to open up the dialog box, it's Ctrl H, and that will open up the dialog box right here. So now we can find, let's say, the dialog box, so you can have a find. So maybe you're just looking for something and you can simply type that in, but if we want to replace it, we go across to the replace. Now here we want to change sales and spell it correctly. So what do we look for? It's S-A-E-L-S, and we want to replace it with sales. Now we can replace one by one, or we can replace all. So let's just try this, have a look at the boxes here, replace all. And as you see, you have 4 changes and 4 replacements were made. Okay, let's press that. Now say that you have a data set that perhaps you were highlighting for a particular reason, and now you want to go back to the original format. Now, if you have a look at each single line, you can't use something like a format painter or copy over because each single row over here is highlighted. So there is a very nice function that we can use for this, and let's go and open up the dialog box again, Ctrl H. Now instead of, let's just delete these, instead of just having a find and replace, which is a simple function, we go to options. In options, you can also have a look at within the sheet, within the workbook. So if you have many tabs with the same spelling mistake or any other changes, you can search everything. You can search by rows, or you can search by columns, and you can search even by formulas. You could also match a case, or you can match the entire content. So there are very many different formats here. Now what we want to do is take the yellow cells over here and convert them. Maybe we want to convert them back to normal. So we can go across here. What are we going to find? We're going to find the ones that are formatted. So let's choose the format. The format is yellow. Press OK. And we want to replace it with no format. So let's try that. And as you see, we have deleted the complete data. That's not what we wanted to do. Ctrl Z. Now we just need to go back and change the format to, let's go to blue, for example. Press OK. And now replace all. Now you can see that the actual cell has been replaced rather than it looking for a data set over here. Now if you want to go back and you want to go to no color, you could press that, press OK, replace all. But now it won't let you do it because now it's blue. So now let's go back here, change the format to blue, press OK. And this time we have a preview of the format here, and you can see it's set with no format. Press OK, and now we are back to the original data set.